Hello everyone. Welcome back to Thrive Talk English. I'm Anaya. Today, you are not just learning English. You are learning how to control your mind while speaking. Because fluency is not a race, it's a rhythm. The problem is not your English. The problem is pressure. You try to speak too fast. You try to answer too quickly. You try not to make mistakes, and because of that, you lose clarity. You lose confidence. You lose words. Fast speakers impress for a moment, but calm speakers leave an impact. Because calm speakers sound confident, clear, and unforgettable. And today, I want to teach you that power. A calmer way to speak, a clearer way to think, a stronger way to communicate. Because real fluency is not created by speed, it is created by control. The ability to pause, the ability to think clearly, and the ability to speak without fear. When your mind becomes calm, your English becomes stronger naturally. And today, I'll help you build that control step by step. Not through boring theory, but through powerful speaking practice. Real practice. And if you follow me carefully, you will feel the difference instantly. You'll stop going blank. You'll feel calmer while speaking, and your words will start flowing naturally. So stay with me carefully, because this is not just a listening video. This is transformation training for your future self. Most people think fluency means speaking fast. But that's not fluency. Fluency doesn't come to the fastest speaker. It comes to the calmest one. Not the one who rushes. Not the one who tries to sound perfect. But the one who stays in control. Because the moment you rush, you lose clarity. The moment you panic, you lose words. So from today, stop trying to speak fast. Start trying to stay calm. Because when your mind is calm, your words become clear. And when your words become clear, your confidence starts to grow. Now listen carefully, because this is where everything changes. You've been trying to speak English, but you never trained the system behind it. Let me show you the real system, not theory, real power. 1. Patience equals power. The person who stays calm while speaking controls the conversation. The moment you rush, mistakes begin. Clarity disappears. Control is lost. Calmness changes everything. When the mind is calm, thoughts become clear. Words flow naturally. The voice becomes steady. That is real power. Not speed, but control. Pause, breathe, then speak. Even if it's slow, even if it's not perfect, keep going. Because control creates clarity, and clarity creates confidence. That's real power. Not speed, but control. How to build it? Pause before speaking. Take a slow breath. Start with simple sentences. Then continue step by step. Now listen carefully. Control is only the start. Real fluency is created in the quiet moments when you are alone, practicing again and again. 2. Silence equals growth. Fluency is built in silence, not in public. No audience, no pressure, just you improving. Because when no one is watching, you are not trying to impress. You are trying to improve. You repeat the same sentence again and again until it feels natural. You listen, you shadow, you speak. Even when it feels boring, even when it feels slow, you keep going. Because this is the truth. People will see your confidence one day, but they will never see the silent practice that built it. So don't chase attention. Build in silence. Because what you build in silence is what speaks the loudest in public. Now, let's move to the next level. Because it's not just about practicing. It's about knowing when to speak. 3. Timing equals success. Fluency is not fast speaking. It's speaking at the right moment. Because conversation is not a race. The moment you rush to speak, you lose connection. The moment you interrupt, you lose impact. But when you wait, when you listen fully and then speak, your words carry weight. They feel clear. They feel confident. So what do controlled speakers do? They listen completely. They pause for a second. Then they respond with clarity. Not rushed, not forced, but intentional. Because they understand one thing. The right words at the wrong time lose their power. But simple words at the right time change everything. So don't fight to speak first. Learn to speak right. Now, there's one more thing most people completely ignore, and that is what you do before you speak. 4. Preparation equals victory. You don't become fluent when you speak. You become fluent when you prepare. Because speaking is the result. Preparation is the reason. If you don't prepare, you hesitate, you panic, you search for words. But when you prepare, you flow. Words come naturally. Sentences feel easier. Your mind stays clear. So what does real preparation look like? You practice daily, even when you don't feel like it. You repeat sentences until they become automatic. You shadow real English and train your ears and your mouth together. You speak alone, not to impress, but to improve. Because every repetition is building your fluency. Slowly, silently, powerfully. And then one day, you don't think, you just speak. That is not luck. That is preparation. And finally, there is one truth you must understand if you really want to become fluent. 5. Delay equals improvement. If your English is not improving fast, it doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're building. Because real fluency is slow. It grows quietly, day by day, step by step. Most people quit here. They don't see results, so they stop. But that's the mistake. Because when it feels like nothing is happening, everything is actually forming. Your brain is adapting. Your memory is strengthening. Your confidence is growing silently. So, what should you do? Stay consistent. Trust the process. Keep showing up every day, even when it feels boring, even when it feels slow. Keep going, because one day you will be speaking without fear, without overthinking, and you won't even realize how it happened. That's the power of patience, of practice, of time. So remember, fluency is not something you chase. It's something you build. Now it's your turn. This is where everything becomes real. Not just listening, not just understanding, but speaking. Speak with me, slowly, calmly, with control. Fluency doesn't come from speed, it comes from control. You don't become fluent by speaking more. You become fluent by speaking better. Fluency is not about perfect grammar. It's about clear expression. The one who pauses speaks with power. Fast speakers impress for a moment. Calm speakers are remembered. Fluency is built in silence, not in noise. You don't need more words. You need a clearer mind. When your mind is calm, your English becomes strong. Fluency is not a race, it's a rhythm. Control your mind and your words will follow. Say it again, slowly, calmly, because this is your new identity. And now, if you truly watched this video till the end, then you are not the same person anymore. Because now, you understand something most people don't. Fluency is not about English. It's about control. So comment below. I speak with calm and control. Type it. Feel it. Because the more you say it, the more you become it. And if you're serious about your English, subscribe now. Because this is not just a channel. This is where your new identity begins. If this video helped you a little, make sure you like this video. Thank you for watching, and remember, don't rush. Stay calm and keep going. Keep thriving.